new convertible line on your right hand side here. And on your left hand side you have the new 95 being built up. And because these two models are just taken to Trollhattan in the middle of March, at the same time as the startup again, there's a lot of renovation going on and development, as you're going to see. Robots are programmed to feel exactly what car and model, as well as what components need to be weld together. And this programming is done all through when design, when the car is born, and all through the production stages. And precision here is extremely important, to the tenth of a millimeter, because otherwise the body won't fit in general assembly. And repair centers along this line, as you're going to see, as well as inner. And behind this yellow stage wrap, the roof is welded on, and then the body is lifted up 4 stories high to be built completely. As you saw, it was very high building. Finished and body complete, as we're going to have on your right hand side are coming up behind these maintenance center. And here the doors, hood, and trunk lids are welded together. The team consists of 5 operators and 1 team leader. And looking in terms of efficiency, we've achieved at a very high level here during the past years. And much of the work is goal-oriented, from the production management all the way down to the single operator. And this is, among other the reasons why Saab achieved the Swedish Lean Award Prize in 2009. And this is a fantastic achievement, considering other battles that Saab did during 2009 as well. You have the end of line on your right hand side here, as I'm going to talk more about later on. This building is approximately 1 kilometer long, and the longest line stretches half a kilometer. So it's like this year is very easy to get lost here. On your left hand side all through, we have one of the only smaller areas for order here, so they can be transported to the assembly line in the precise time they're needed.